Hey everybody, I'm Mega Mario Gamer, and this is the aftermath of the Sceptile episode. Oh, come on, Shadow Mewtwo. So we got in a battle with a Pikachu trainer named Richard. And he was a spammer. He was a sweaty spammer. He used the same move over and over, and we couldn't get near him. And I refused to let Sceptile's reign end on such a low note. So I'm gonna keep on fighting.
Time for battle. Go show them what you're made of.
I'm gonna show this guy. This guy here, right? You can tell just from the name that he is an honest to good fighter.
Pin down.
Yeah, see, at least he's not spamming. Although he's too good for his own good. Come on, come on.
Some power has appeared.
Yeah, Lapras. What the? Jeez, Dark Mewtwo's thing charges up real fast, I've noticed. Fuck. Uh-oh. Fuck. Jesus Christ, we lost. We lost, and he's turning into Frieza. It's the same thing Frieza did on Namek. He just killed half the human population over one Pokemon battle. Shit, I've only got one chance. And I lost my chance. You know, I'm noticing a trend with Sceptile. I think he's about to lose his status of Senpai. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm doing pretty badly. I'm not gonna try to cover myself with this. But Sceptile's burst gauge doesn't charge up. And he's been a bad match against both Pikachu and Mewtwo. Look at that shit. Mewtwo's synergy gauge. It goes up so fast. God damn. Yeah, fuck it. Sceptile, I'm sorry. But you're no good for me. You're no good for me, Sceptile Senpai. We're not meant for each other. It's not you, it's me. You know, it's not that. It's not that clear cut, you know. It's not the fact that you lost these other battles. It's just, where I'm into like this guy, or maybe this guy. This guy was cool. I'm going with this guy. I don't know. I didn't play the game he's from, but he's pretty cool. These two, yep. That is a big disappointment, though. I was really hoping. Sceptile's so cool in the anime. I thought he'd be a great choice for this game, but he's a disappointment. He sure is. I'm sorry, Sceptile just didn't have what it takes. I wanted to say something about the enemy's Pokemon being the same as ours, but I'm still too heartbroken about Sceptile. He just got to me, man. Why is mine evil? Mine had the Ganon aura around him.
Go give them which Pokemon do you want to tag for support?
Yes.
I always just go with
Perfect. I've never had Reshiram's thing actually go on. Let's get close to him a little.
this opponent is no wimp. Time to set up
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Jesus. Oh. You like that block? You like that wing block? Oh, I got you. Fucking. I don't even know what to say at this point. Don't mind that weird ass fucking noises I just made.
some field phase.
Come on. I'm the best owl there ever was.
Rebel, call in some help.
I really hope he's not in the stun animation when this hits. Are you kidding, Reshiram? The one time I call you to action, and you fuck me over like this. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed that you were my Reshiram. Oh, that's not good. Fuck, that's no good. Oh, that's not good. You get off me, you bird. You bird bitch. I know where you're from. I seen your nest across the street. Did I do that, or he did that shit, didn't he? How did you do that? How do people do these things to me? I swear, if I knew how to use burst attacks, then these matches would not go this easy in their direction. Like, how the fuck do you use burst attacks? I didn't play the tutorial, and I don't plan to.
Yikes, they came packing.
Reshiram, you kind of fucked up last time, so I'm giving the job to Crisella.
All right then, let's give it a shot.
Oh, you see that sweet bird dodge I did? Oh, but he did a sweeter bird kick. Oh, he's doing a lot of bird kicks, actually. I don't like those. I don't like the looks of your bird kicks. Did I just have a baby and send it to the moon? Yeah, you got nothing on my moon, baby. Oh shit, moon baby, come back and help me. Fuck! Oh shit, I can't afford to lose this match.
Now with your first
I really gotta learn how to do a... Who is that? Who is that little squirrel that just helped you? You're supposed to be an owl. What kind of owl gets help from a squirrel? Get the fuck back here. I'm gonna fucking bird kick your ass to the moon. You're gonna go see my kid at the moon. You're gonna tell him I said hi. Oh, you see that? You see how cocky my bird is? Oh boy. See those nipple hooks I got hanging there?
here's the final
Those are all for style.
round will decide the match.
This fucking Pokemon was born with nipple hooks, man. It's got a sad life. Yo, real quick at the roundabout. The video corrupted. Just need to throw that in there. Yeah, the third match just started fucking glitching out real badly, and I couldn't tell what was happening. So, I had to completely get rid of that section of the video. But we lost anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter too much. Even I don't know what really happened at the end there. It just started glitching so bad you can't see the screen. And the audio cut out. But, hey, you know, it was a good match for the first 2 rounds. All those sweet bird moves. But yeah, couldn't see the final fight. It was close though. It was real close. I'm definitely not trying to save myself.